Yeah.
uplifting feeling.
But once they get into it, they'll click. Hey. I know it. I think there was what was wrong with these ones. They would hear all getting told what to do, and they'd be like, "Oh, too many people talking." It's like, you don't even know how to pick. And they must have shared it, people. Hey,
Next when you're making
you know, Bree. Play. Fair enough, fair enough.
times have changed. They want to stop.
Roger that. That's how it goes.
Yeah, might end up spending more time on the sideline.
Yeah, roger that. That's important too. Yeah, roger that. Nice. Keeps it. Yeah, yeah, roger that. Roger that. Yeah. Roger that. Roger that.
Disappointed.
Yeah. You know it.
The case
All the case games, there with your camera. Yes, sweet. Oh.
Pay the rules. Thank you. Pay the rules. Then keep moving. What the heck is this? You should have bought that tea up.
Hey?
I should get some crowd shots on his intro.
Yeah,
Or that
right.
intro and put a
Yeah, right. Yeah, a couple of flashes.
we're just looking at
Yeah, you got a size of people. And then he just learning all this stuff. I'm just gonna leave mine on the halfway. Zoom over there.
Come around, bro.
It's the shot.
Kau te maunga, ko whangaparau te awa, ko te whānau a kauai tongohia o te hapu, no reira nau mai hara mai ki whangaparau mo tēnei kemu, wainga nui manuhiri mo tēnei kemu ko ngā wahine no WAIAPU. Nā mihi nui kia mātou ki tā tātou kai tautoko mo tēnei whakapāho kia koutou, arā te kamu te toko, nā reira he pūtea tautoko, nā reira he mihi tino nui ki te kamupene o Te Rūnanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. Kia ora whānau, welcome to today's broadcast, kindly brought to you by Te Rūnanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. Yes, we are here, the final for the H Blackbee Contractors Limited Men's Premier East Coast competition. That'll be a little bit later on. First, let's get our scoreboard and everything onto the screen for you guys. So yes, we're bringing you both games live today. Of course, the other semi-final happening over there at Kahuitara. Not far away from kick-off here. As the referee will have control of this one. A big mihi to our team that's helping out with the stream today. Papuni Isles on the cameras. Of course, Paul Brooking here doing the live streaming switching. And of course, the commentary for the game. WAIAPU team, we can run through that for you. I've got Lakai Papuni wearing number 1, Brenna August, Lane Tangaire, John in the front row. Caden Pere, Billy Tangaire are your locks. Fawn Birkin, Summer Walker, Billy Delamere are your loose trio. Jordan Tim, Rere Papuni, Hayley Dudu, Holly Barnes, I think that says, and Tiki Taniro Whitcliffe. On the TVC, Anaya Rangihuna, Ripia Teri, Dana Kopa, Crimson Moko, Shirley Mullaney, Taiaho Rere, I think, sure that's Taiaho Rere Grant, Alize Grant, Sarah Whānau. Just having a look at our cameras there. About to get underway here. First game of the day. Bring it back towards their 10-metre line. That's Dana Kopa with the ball. TVC setting it up on their 10-metre line. They go out wide to that's Shelford. They take it down on the halfway. This TVC referee says no advantage. You'll come all the way back for a penalty. For TVC here. And see it's just inside, or just outside their 22. Mullaney with the kick. Safely into touch. Takes play up towards the WAIAPU 10-metre line. This will be a line out right on WAIAPU's 10-metre line on the school side of the field here at Whangaparao. Bit of a westerly blowing here at Whangaparao today. High to the front, taken down cleanly. They spin it out through Kopa. Out to the number 8. Oh, that was Kopa. Quick hands, they go through. TVC, Waititi gives it out wide. They've got is there though, beautiful tackle across there. WAIAPU might have turned this over. Play on, says the referee. It's there at the back for WAIAPU. They get over the top of it. That looked like they come around from the side. Referee's playing advantage here for TVC. Little knock on in there. Across there on that far side of the field. It'll be a TVC attacking scrum coming. Just after 3 minutes gone, and there they go up there as well. Scrum down again. Referee just sitting here waiting for them to come in. Forward with a strong run. Mullaney digging in for the ball. They come out through the backs now. Out to Waititi. Oh, little knock on in there. WAIAPU come up with it for the scrum. WAIAPU ball. This one right out in front of the posts. Roughly about 15 metres. Mullaney, oh sorry, that's Moko with the scrum feed. Moko playing halfback, Crimson Moko, wearing number 9. Good crowd here for the Bishop spins it out. Advantage here for WAIAPU though. Referee playing advantage. Could have been offside, I think. He'll come back. No, kicking the ball. WAIAPU here. Penalty right in front of their posts. Bishop with the ball. Gives it out to the supporting forwards to hit it up. Gives it back deep. Oh, it goes to ground. Bad pass there. It's been dropped on the ground. What's the ref say? Advantage here for TV. It'll be a TVC scrum feed. Scrum down. Moko to feed the scrum. Ball in. It's gone to ground though. Referee will blow it up. Who will host the final next week? Hikurangi, of course, sitting top of the table after the round robin. It's at the back here for Moko. They send it through the hands to Mullaney. Nice long pass out wide. That's the number 15. That's Teddy taken down. About 10 out from the line, I think. Might be a bit more. Getting closer. 5 out from the line. Might have been turned over here. Referee's playing advantage to TVC though. They work it through the hands, through Shelford. Advantage. There was a knock on in there. 5-6 metre scrum. Attacking scrum opportunity here for TVC. Beautiful day here at Whangaparaoa. As I said, a little bit of a westerly blowing across the field. Bit of a wind advantage for TVC in the first half. Well, those leopard leotard shorts in the middle of the scrum certainly stand out as TVC bring it across to the number 12. That's Alize Grant. She gets the pass away to Mullaney. Mullaney sets it up on the ground here. It's messy. Picked up there by, I think that was another Grant. Referee's got a little knock on in there. No advantage for WAIAPU. It'll be a scrum down the feed. Right out in front of their post again. TVC camped down there in the 22 in these early stages of the first half. My men on the cameras. Ball in. It's at the back there for Bishop. They spin it out to, I think that was Tibble. Quick hands to Pere. I think that was Pere, or was that Tibble? Jordan Tibble, sorry. Little knock on in there. Now give the ball away. It'll be a scrum feed to, it's looking like they're just keeping it in close. Just waiting for the scrum to come together. Moko ball in. Mulaney at first receiver. They go blind though through the dummy. Gets the pass back to Moko. Moko for the line. Oh, just short. And on the line, charging at the line, and TVC, can they get it down? TVC attacking ball again. As you can see from the wide shot, they've plenty of space to move. Big blind available. Referee calls them in. Moko, ball in. Yeah, Moko plucks it out. She gives it out to Mulaney. Mulaney out to Grant. A little knock on in there. It's been picked up by WAIAPU, has it? Referee's playing advantage here. WAIAPU with the ball. Fraser up to Tangaire. Tangaire puts the fend in. TVC trying to get the pilt. It's there for WAIAPU though. Bishop having a look at her options. She'll go out wide. He takes it into contact. WAIAPU in there, rucking, trying to recycle this pilt. Bishop plucks it out. They go wide. Another runner in the midfield. They're going to look for the sideline here. Take it for a line out. They found touch. It'll be a WAIAPU line out throw. After that penalty. It's taken down. That was Bishop in there jumping. Tibble does well to hold on to that. They spin it wide. The defence up quickly though. They go back open. There's WAIAPU. Up to Tangaire. Tangaire, she's done all game so far. Straight back into the contact. Referee's got no advantage here. Going back for a penalty to WAIAPU. WAIAPU with the opportunity here to push it down the sideline. Bishop with the ball. They're going to tap and go, are they? No. Tibble here. It's on the ground. Bishop plucks it out. The referee's playing advantage here as they spin it wide out to Papuni. Papuni's going to take it into contact. Billy, I think that was. It's still there for WAIAPU. It's Bishop looking in for the ball. Their player come around offside. Referee says no advantage. He'll go back for... They'll look to move out of their half. I think this will be the first time in this half. Attacking line out coming for WAIAPU. Short line out called. They go high and straight to Bishop again. Comes out. So it's not Fight Bishop playing halfback. My name's mixed up. It's Delamere. As they WAIAPU take it down the field. It's there, counteract from TVC. Is it at the back for WAIAPU? Delamere plucks it out. Gives it aside TVC's 10-metre line. Up through Tangaire. That's the other sister, that one. That was Billy. Referee's got advantage here. Playing advantage to WAIAPU. Apologies to Delamere. I've been calling her Bishop. Bishop's out in the back. Now WAIAPU slow and steady from their own red zone. Now into an attacking position. Right on TVC's 20. They go high again. It's tapped down at the front, picked up there by WAIAPU. That referee's got advantage here. Little knock on from TVC. This one here, referee pulls them 15 metres in from touch, right on the 22. WAIAPU. Referee calls them in. He's not happy with it. He'll have it. No, that's Walker. Sorry, that's Summer Walker. She gives it to her winger. I think that was King. He comes back infield. Tibble gets care for them. They go back out to Tungaire. No, sorry, that's Papuni. Papuni takes it down. They're about 15 out. Penalty here for a high shot. Advantage being played. Tibble. WAIAPU getting a roll on here. Referee still playing advantage. No advantage. He'll come back. Who lines up for the pill? It's Papuni. Winding up, takes 3 to stop it. They drive over the top here, looking to recycle. 5 out from the line now. Another pick and go. Referee's got another advantage here to WAIAPU. 3 metres out from the line here. Gets it down. There's the first 5-pointer at the semi-final. It's a WAIAPU 5-pointer. 5 back in there, 22, penalty after penalty where they just pushed it to the sideline, took the line out. They've worked their way all the way down to the red zone for TVC. Tops it off with a 5-pointer. WAIAPU lining up the conversion from way out wide. Drop kick coming. It's not going to have the legs. Score remains 5-0. Just going to shift our scoreboard around a bit. Put them in the centre of the screen. There we go, 5-0. Oh God. We're coming up to halfway anyway, half time. My hurry to shift. Anyway, TVC coming back to get us back underway here. 5-0 WAIAPU lead. So Alize Grant to get us underway again. So they go deep. It's picked up here by TVC go quickly up to Mulaney. They come out wide. They've got numbers here. Waititi on the cut now. TVC chucking the ball around. On attack here. Another pick and go off the base of the ruck. Number 17. I don't have a name for number 17. There's only 6. WAIAPU through Luru. Brings it out. It's there for Bishop. She's having a look at the pill. She comes back open to Tibble. Tibble spins it. Penalty against WAIAPU. Not releasing. They tap and go. Didn't look like it was on the mark. Shelford going to catch them sleeping, is she? Playing advantage for WAIAPU. Unlucky. Unlucky on that one. TVC building momentum. Good crowd here today, whānau. It's it's Taniro Wycliffe that's hurt. Team. So it's got an injured player down here at the moment, whānau. So it's just waiting as the injured player receiving treatment down there in the corner. I've seen a crack up one at the Tongan game yesterday. One of the spectators right up in the old coconut tree in the top of the palm. So still waiting for Westerly. Nice fine day though. Looks like we're about to get back into it. Looks like Tanita Wycliffe unable to continue, being brought off to the sideline. Restart here with a scrum. WAIAPU ball.
Third down, lead, third ball down.
Big mihi. I forgot to give a mihi out to our other sponsor, Gisborne Scat, on board to help us by providing us with the scaffold today. Oh, and there's a knock on in front of the post here for WAIAPU. TVC come up with the pill as WAIAPU look to spin it out across the face of their post. The wing is Te Aho Rere Grant and Tawa Ngātai. Oh, that's Tawa across there. We can't be too far away from half-time whānau. Big mihi, yes, is for our camera crew today. Big mihi to fill in the team down there. And it's Mulaney lining this one up. 17 out. It's got the height. Oh, and it sneaks over the post. TVC take the lead. 7 points to 5. Women's semi-final. Of course, both teams looking to book a place in the final next week. The other game, Hikurangi hosting Waim. It's Tibble with the kicking duties. TVC pin advantage here, little knock on from WAIAPU as Mulaney throws the dummy, gets the pass away now. They work it out wide, does TVC. Little knock on, and it'll be a WAIAPU scrum right on the 10-metre line. I think we've got our listeners on to the Wirirangi o Ngāti Pro. Scrum down on the 10-metre line. 5-6 metres in from this near side of touch. Referee not. Delamere puts the ball in. It's at the back for Walker. Walker brings it down this near side. Standing on her feet, gets the pass away to Tangaire. It's there for WAIAPU. No, not releasing is the call. Got isolated there. We can't be. They bring it back down the sideline. It's there for Bishop. She gives it out to Tibble. Tibble looking for runners. She has to take the contact herself. Of course, WAIAPU, they were the champions last year after winning against Hikurangi in the final off that kick. WAIAPU line out throw just outside their 10-metre line. They go high at the front to Bishop, gives it back to a new halfback there. They spin it through the hands out to Atkins. Defence gets you though. Oh, nicely held there by the WAIAPU player. They get over the top of this, having a look at their options. Bishop's calling for the ball. Up to one, I think that was Walker. TVC. Quick tap here from TVC. They got hands here out to Shelford. Oh. TVC had a 3-woman overlap there, just unable to get that pass out. Just drifted forward. Bishop with the ball. For Walker. Walker takes it open this time. Summer Walker gets the pass away to Tibble. Good tackle on her. It's at the back there for what? But Mark, I think, was the call. Bishop having a look at her options. No, that's Delamere. Let's get the names right, Paula. It's the hooker, that's August. Now Delamere getting in there again. Gives it up to Tibble. Tibble goes out the back. Good run. Birkin. Referee playing advantage here to WAIAPU. So they spin it out wide. They've got Papuni again, as she's done all game so far, driving it up the middle. Referee says no half time. So having a word there to Waititi. Bishop. They're going to tap and go again. They tap it. They give it up to Tangaire this time. Tangaire. Good tackle there from TBC. Defence holds. Delamere. Oh, the defence was up quickly on her. It's there for WAIAPU though. They give it out to Atkins. 7-5. She's a close one in this one. I think that's half time, Whānau. Referee has signalled half time here.
Oh, I can pop their shoulder out.
Just get you in a bit closer.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
Sometimes you're coming out too hard.
Oh, yeah, same side. Yes, Roger, probably. I'll stay zoomed in. Hey, I'll stay in. Nothing there, brother.
I'll put out and put some nice oh, yeah. Well, I think his career over.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, nah, make it like a day. Legion. Roger. Yeah, Roger. Cool day. Not catch by from now. Hey? Not being both.
Yeah, because I'm one man.
Yeah.
You just get
Oh, here we go, pop it back in, mate.
Oh, we get the Npec full length.
Yeah.
But I need to come back drunk so I don't because I will offer to help. I'm so
Fuck, I remember this camera here, word brief. It's got this thing on it, cool, and it just slowly turns like this. Check it out. Oh, shoot. Watch this line get closer. Ah, maybe I am hearing.
Oh, fuck, bro. It's a little illusion there. It looks like it's swinging.
It looks like it is Avery. It's swinging Avery. Slowly. See, it's almost it today. It did the same work, bro. Oh, and he comes over, bro, what the fuck is that camera? They might give it the illusion. Fuck.
We've got our commentary coming back at you. Test, test, test. All right, we're ready to rock. Nui o Ngāti Porou. TVC lead 5 points or 7 points to 5, I should say. Final. Across there, Kahuitara, Hikurangi taking on Waima. Of course, this afternoon at 2 p.m, we'll have the main game here. The men's about to get back underway here. Referee signals time on. It's WAIAPU. Bring it back through Walker. Summer Walker sets it up about 5 out from her 22. It's there for WAIAPU as they go open through out quickly. That's Fraser up quickly on her. They held her up though, fighting to get to the ground. It's a maul. Referee will say one of the TVC players getting in there and ripping the ball off. Referee's playing advantage here, the TVC, as they come out through Kopa. Referee says no advantage, he'll go back for the penalty. Penalty here. They're about midway 10 metres. Mullaney playing halfback, gives it out to Moko. Moko, they spin it wide out to Waititi. Waititi breaks one tackle, gets the pass away in the second. It's just gone forward though. It'll be a scrum down right on WAIAPU's 22. Roughly about 8. Tough game so far, close game, 7 points to 5. Just conversion separating these two teams. Ball in there by Delamere. It's at the back for Delamere. She gives it to Tibble. Penalty here for WAIAPU. Something happened at the scrum. Possibly. No, they're going to call for a scrum. I thought they might kick it into touch. Scrum down on the 22, 15 in from this near side of touch. Into the final 40 minutes of rugby for one of these teams. One will have 80 minutes of rugby left next week. Gives it back to Tibble. Tibble puts the boot to it. It's gone high. Is it going to find touch? Safely into touch. I thought these ladies might have just... No, it's carried back. Now call. TVC come up with an attacking line out. Waititi. That's Marnie Waititi with the throat. They go high in the... Oh, nice take up high there by TVC. They spin it wide. Numbers out there is Waititi. They've got an overlap here. Heading for the corner. Tap and go through Fraser. Fraser out to the 22 she goes. Big tackle on her. Referee's got a penalty for TVC not releasing. They look to go quickly. She takes the contact. 5 out from the line. They keep coming open. Moko. Through the head here, it's the number 15, that's Teddy. Just driven back off the line there. Counter ruck here from, referee's got a little knock on in the counter ruck from WAIAPU. It'll be a WAIAPU going hammer and tongs at each other. 7-5 if you've just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Pro. TVC with a 2-point lead. Defensive scrum feed here for WAIAPU. It's off the back for Walker. Walker, it's WAIAPU. Look to get it away from their red zone. They spin it out wide, out to Papuni. She'll take it one way, up the guts. Out to the 22 goes Papuni. Referee's got just got a little bit isolated there. Penalty here for TVC right out in front on the 22. They're going to tap and go. They tap it up to Shelford. Shelford into contact. Gets the pass away to Waititi. Waititi standing in the tackle. Referee's got a... WAIAPU. They tap it. They give it up to, I think that's Dudu. Penalty here Quick tap taken by TVC as they look for the corner. There it is. We'll see if the replay catches it. Quick tap taken with the kick to come. TVC getting a reward for all of it. 12-5 with the kick to come. Yeah, I don't have a number 17 on the team sheet. They've only gone to 16 on the team sheet. Koina etahi o ngā raru. 12-5. Unsuccessful conversion. WAIAPU needing a converted. What about? It's coming up to half an hour left in the semi-final. Started again. It's Jordan Tibble with the restart. Deep down the back. Good take there from TVC. Oh, they leave it on the ground. There's WAIAPU come through and steal this. WAIAPU on attack as they go through Fraser. Fraser driving it forward. She goes to ground. Counter ruck here from TVC. Bishop looking for the ball though. Bishop gives it out. As they drive it forward, does WAIAPU. Going sideways a bit at the moment. That's a maul, says the referee. She's on the ground now. Release it. Bishop goes blind again. Out to Tibble. Tibble. That's the number 4. That's Caden Penny. WAIAPU. Referee's got a stoppage over there. There's a couple of injured players down, I think. Nine and a half minutes gone in the second half. I'm just waiting to see what the call is from the referee here. It's a couple of injured TVC players. There's the referee. Just got a stoppage in play here, as he has a good look at the 2 injured players. Beautiful day here for rugby at Whangaparaoa. A little bit of a westerly. It will favour the team playing towards Tihido. So in the second half here, it's favouring WAIAPU. Restart when we get back to it. Referee, about to get us back underway here. Right, about to get back underway here. Scrum restart, it'll be WAIAPU ball. They're inside the about 4 or 5 metres. 5 in from that far side of touch. Delamere gives it, Walker takes it off the back of the scrum. She winds WAIAPU break away with it. Heading towards the line now, about 10 out from the line. Referee's blown the whistle. Penalty to WAIAPU. About 15 out from the line, this penalty.
She all good though?
They're going to go to their runner. Who's watch for the pick and go here. And there it is, pick and go off the back. This WAIAPU. TVC trying to rip it off them. Referee's got a penalty against TVC. Right out in front of the post here. 5 metre penalty. WAIAPU tap and go. The second. Player with the ball ran straight at the referee. No, it's going to be a scrum. Ran into the referee, must have been. Scrum down right in front of the post here. It creates a point scoring opportunity for WAIAPU here as they can split their back line. Lucy, that's Birkin. They go back through Delamere. She holds it up for waiting for her support. Now, Birkin having a look at the ball. It's popped out the back. They give it up to, that's Papuni. Papuni rumbling towards the line. Can she get it down? What's the ref say? There's a try. The middle, this time over the line. Brings her team back into the game. 12 points to 10 with the kick to come. Great reward for the hard work she's done all game, all day. She's been their go-to to take it forward. That time there rewarded with a 5-pointer. Way out. It's gone back a bit too far, I think. She should have come right up in front of as close to the post as possible. The score remains 12-10 in the second half. TVC, bit of a discussion with can't get a number on their jersey. Kick it deep though, and it's got found touch. It's found touch down the sideline here. It'll be a WAIAPU line out throw inside their 22. Just a couple of meters inside their 22. From TVC. Apologies. I only have 16 names on the TVC team sheet. And that kicker was wearing number 17, so I don't have a name for forward. TVC get an attacking opportunity out of this. Scrum inside the 22. Just waiting for the forwards to come together. 15 in from touch. Moko with the ball. They come off to the blind here through Kopa. Kopa still going. TVC. Moko gives it up again. Oh, little forward pass in there. I think she knew as soon as she gave the ball. Just a little forward pass to her mate who was just in front of her. I think that's Kayla King that's on there in the front row for WAIAPU. It's there at the back. Big shunt from TVC though. Referee says we'll have it again.
Put the weight in, Reed.
TVC, roughly about 15 meters out from. Referee calls them in. Big shunt from TVC. It's out the back though. It's there at the back for WAIAPU. Papuni has to play halfback. Throws the dummy. Takes it up herself. Whistle's gone. I'm not sure what happened. It happened right in front of the ref because he blew his whistle pretty quickly.
Way to go, Phil. Too much bowling. Too much, Phil.
Mulaney back to her feet. Referee about to get us.
Look, you lose that first one.
Ball in. It's at the back there for one of the new players on the field. They get gets the ball. It's been intercepted here by Waititi. Waititi runs into the ref. The ref will have to blow the whistle. Poor ref. Play will restart right in front of the post.
take it.
Still waiting here, whānau. Looks like it's going to be a bit of time before we can continue with this game. They're going to have to get some replacements on the park here. So a little bit of a stoppage here, whānau, as we wait for treatment to be given to this player, unfortunately. We've got another injured player having to go to hospital. And Whakatane Hospital is the nearest hospital. It's Tibble, I think it's a knee or ankle, being assisted from the field. WAIAPU will have to test the depth of their bench. And this arm wrestle of a semi-final as the referee will call us back together. Scrum down, TVC ball right out in front of the post, about 15 metres. Great, plucks it out, gives it up to Mullaney. Good hands out wide on the cut is Waititi. Waititi cutting back infield. Good run there from Waititi. A penalty though, not releasing. WAIAPU will get to relieve a little bit of pressure off their goal line. Run it out from their goal line. They're digging in for the ball here. Delamere, and a player in the offside position, gives away a penalty. Quick tap here from TVC. Looking to catch them offside is Shelford. Referee playing advantage. Not 10. They tap and go again. Try and get a number on the try scorer. There's the try. TVC extend their lead out to 17 points. As we cross over into the second part of this half. Attempting this conversion from out wide. She looks about 6 or 7 metres in from touch, right on the 22. Looking to extend her team's lead. As I said, she's distance. Score remains 17-10. TVC edging out front now. It's been a close battle, this one. Seven points underway again. Kicking duties this time. They send it down the middle. It bounces over the top of the TVC player as Mullaney brings it up. It's gone forward though. It'll be a WAIAPU scrum feed. About 6-7 metres outside TVC's 10. Referee calls them in. The scrums today. Delamere, ball in. Big shunt there from TVC, but it's Papuni off the back. It's I'm just looking for that one's name. I think that's Rere. Referee's got marched him. Bit of back chatting. As they tap and go quickly, does TVC. They're onside now. They'll come back for a scrum feed. WAIAPU ball. 25 minutes gone, 15 minutes left in the second half. This first semi-final, a women's semi-final I should say. Scrum down I should say. Delamere feeds the scrum, Papuni. That's Copper. Copper driving up towards the 22. Takes it down about 5 out from the 22. Might have been turned over. No, TVC still got possession as Waititi comes up with it. TVC might have been turned over here. WAIAPU dragged them backwards. I think that's King with the ball, is it? WAIAPU hitting it up the middle now. Might have been turned over. TVC come up with it. Copper got a winger. Big tackle on her though. She gets to her feet again. Gets the ball back now. This has got the winger. TVC 5 out from the line. It's Teddy. Waititi comes up with it. Out to Moko. Moko to Mulaney. Mulaney out to the number 5. That was Wairua. 6 metres out from the line. Penalty here to TVC. A try here would more or less seal it, I think. As Waititi has a go. It's now to Mulaney. Oh, she might have done a knee. There's an injury there as they go again. TVC get the pass away. They'll score in the corner. You watch the work on the replay as Mulaney. It just shows it. Looks like she damaged her knee. The number 12, though, that was Alize Grant. Some great work there, pushing off a couple of tacklers. And 22-10 with the kick to come. Mulaney is down in back play. It didn't look good. Just got caught off, just misstep, I think. You could see she felt it straight away. Oh, she's up, which is a good thing. Looking to try and walk it off. 22-10. As they look to attempt a drop kick. TVC starting to take control of this one. Looks like Birkin coming back to get us underway. Good effort from WAIAPU. Semi-final. Delamere gets us underway. Good take there by Wairua, I think it was. Runs straight into the lane. He gets up from injury and gets the pass away out to Waititi. Waititi down the sideline to that's Dana Copper. She'll race away. She will run away with this. Let's take a look at that replay. Copper, you just get to see her racing the last 30-40 metres around behind the post. 27-10. TVC looking to book themselves a place in the final. Goff managed to shake it off, got involved, started that backline movement, and then just some nice hands. Oh, and a successful conversion there. 29. TVC have opened up and started to run away with it, extending their lead out to 29 points to 10. Injured refs and all turning out today to help out. I understand we're a bit short today. As a referee gets us underway, that's out to, sorry, that's not Wairua, that's Retimana. That's the number 4. I couldn't pick up her number before. Referee's got a penalty against the meter line. Mulaney with the pill. They're going to tap and go. No, she's going to look for touch. She sends it down. It's just midway 10 metre 22 inside WAIAPU territory. 29-10. It's like TVC have booked themselves there. Waimā versus Hikurangi to determine where that final will be played. Could be a Kahuitara or could be back here at Whangaparaoa. Mani Waititi with the line out throw. They go high. It's tapped down on the WAIAPU side. On the TVC side, referee says it's not straight though. We'll have a... As we count down towards full time. Referee will be sole judge of time. We've got about 6.5, 7 minutes left. WAIAPU with the scrum feed. Forward packs down. They break up and have a corridor. Now they come in. Into the opposition. Referee's got a penalty against WAIAPU though, not releasing. A little bit isolated there as Kupa comes in looking for the quick tap. Off the mark, says the Mullaney looking to go quickly. He's going to look for touch though. Sends play up towards hacking line out coming for TVC. They're just outside WAIAPU's 22 by a couple of metres. As we wait for the ball to come back. Can't play rugby without a ball. I suppose you could, but not a big game like this, not a semi-final. Referee will signal it's a WAIAPU scrum. Scrum down just outside WAIAPU's 22, a couple of metres. Them in. Ball in. Early shunt by TVC. Free kick here for. They tap and go. They give it up to Birkin. They send it wide. Defence up quickly here. They get it again though. Running down that far sideline. They keep the ball in there, does WAIAPU. Midway 10 metre 22, they come back infield. I think that's Atkins. Birkin having to play halfback. Comes out again. Dummy thrown there by Fraser. She throws a dummy as a go herself. They pick and go again. Working it up towards the halfway now. Spin it wide. Oh, some nice hands there. It's a new player on the park. I don't have a name for her. Trying to get her number. Referee's got a penalty against WAIAPU though. Going off their feet. I don't want to guess that player's name. Referee, little stoppage here. Scrum called. Just inside TVC territory. They've booked themselves a place in next week's final. Crimson Moko, she's had a good game. Ball in. Referee's got a penalty here. The TVC. TVC will do here. They're going to look for touch. No, they're going to tap and go. Shelford calls for it, winds up, takes it into contact. Taken WAIAPU 10 metre line. There's a advantage here for TVC as they go open. Good run there by the number 12. That's Alize Grant. Gets it back to Waititi. Waititi opening up. WAIAPU. Play on, says the referee. It's out on TVC side as Kupa winds up. Right out in front of the post here. Moko looking for the pill. Gives it out. They've got a winger here. No, just can't get the pass away. Mullaney playing halfback. Oh, she goes blind. Comes back infield. They give it up to the number 11. That's Taio WAIAPU spinning it. Out wide here, they're looking for runners. Some good work to get out of their red zone. They go out though over the sideline. What's the referee doing? He's coming all the way back across the field. May have been an advantage here. Was he playing advantage to confusion here? There's an injured player in back play. Oh, maybe he's just stopped play to come back and check on the injured player. So they'll go back across. Looks like a bit of head contact there. TVC player. And say we're into the final play, whānau. Scrum down. This one here is just outside WAIAPU's, about 8-9 metres in from their far touch side. They're making us wait here. I'm not sure. Oh, they're waiting for the injured player to get off the park. And it's at the back. Sorry, that was Moko. That's Kupa. Kupa out to Mulaney. Mulaney throws a long pass and it's just lost forward by Grant. No advantage there. Referee says that's full time. Congrats yourself for a place in next week's final. Congratulations to WAIAPU on their season, making the top 4. What a great game it was today. Big mihi to our sponsors, of course, Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou.